everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Brie. I mostly talk about all things vegan and cruelty-free beauty, and today I'm going to be unboxing or unbagging my Ipsy boxes that I got for PR. I signed up for this, one of my friends recommended it, so I got the Glam, my kitty here, Elsa. I got the Glam Bag Plus as well as the Glam Bag. I took the stuff out of the boxes so that we wouldn't have to go through that, but look at this box I got. Okay, all right, so this is Halloween themed, of course. So first we're gonna do the regular Glam Bag. This is so cute. So it has like spider web, think of like Spider-Man. So I actually have one of these already, but I don't have this color. I'm really excited for this because it's a red. It is the Bare Minerals Mineralist Lasting Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Spirited. So I actually have not taken this out of the box. And everything is cruelty-free and vegan too, which is awesome. All right, so this is cute. Look at this red color, so pretty. So I have the shade Lucky, and it's a nude. I love it. It's really, really good formula. So, yep, smells the same. Okay. Ooh, that's a pretty red. Okay, I'm excited. So there is the shade. I guess Elsa's gonna be in the whole video with me. Okay. And then I got, this is so funny because I was talking about this with my friend. Like how I hadn't tried Fenty's lip glosses, and I got a Fenty lip gloss. I got the shade Hot Cherry, and it is like a shimmery red gloss. Ooh, that's a big doe foot. Look at that bad boy. All right. Ooh, it smells really good. Oh, wow. Okay. I'm not a big lip gloss person. I never understood like the height, but like, wow. It smells, it's like a strawberry or like cherry, like, I don't know, it reminds me of my childhood. I don't know, but that is nice. Like, pretty good value too. This is just a little bag. I think it's $14. I'll put it on the screen. And then I got the Kapari Ultra Restore Body Butter with hyaluronic acid. I never actually tried anything from Kapari. I'm really excited about this because like this is a lot of stuff I've never tried. Ooh, this feels good. It feels good. Look how glossy that is. Sorry. Okay. Ooh, has that coconutty kind of smell, but ooh, I'm excited about that. We have a mascara. So we have the Ditto, or this is the Magic Feather Intense Volume Ditto Mascara. It has like a purpley, this is a travel size, which I like travel size mascaras. I honestly don't notice a difference, and I like saving money. So yeah, that is what we got in our little regular Glam Bag. I think it's a pretty good value. I'm going to try to find prices and everything and put that on the screen. So one full-size product and then 3 like minis. But this itself is I think $20-something, so like way over the bag. And then for the Glam Bag Plus, we got this really cute like kind of canvasy. It has a bunch of stuff on it, like snakes, spiders, skulls, pumpkins, tombstones, the kind of the palm hand, kitty cats. Elsa's climbing on the desk. And then we have, now Earth Harbor has been in a lot of boxes. When I got Better Beauty Box, I literally got like I think 4 items from them. And then I know they've been in Boxycharm, but I have not tried actually this product. This is their Cloud Burst Balancing Gel Hydrator. Their skincare is really nice, by the way. So I don't really care that people have received a lot. Ooh, it has like a fresh, I don't know, kind of scent, but like I'm excited. Anything that says hydrating, I like it. Okay, and it's a sustainable brand, clean, vegan, cruelty-free, all that kind of stuff. It's a small brand, women-owned, so I like that. And then we have, now this, kind of silly, but this is from Do the Gods, which I just got a mask from them in my Boxycharm. This is their under eye volumizing collagen pads, and you get 10 of them. It's in this like interesting packaging, like tin, and then the mask or the and then the collagen eye pads are in there. I don't know. I always think these are kind of funny. Like, I don't even know if they help, but like it's one of those things you're supposed to wear for like 30 minutes and then peel them off. I don't know if I'm actually able to do that because like I don't know. That just seems like a lot of work, but so we'll see if I actually use these. But I mean, like, it's cute, you know. I'm not gonna say it's bad. And then we have a brush, which I don't know if I have a brush like this. It's ridiculously soft, like think like it cosmetics soft. And the packaging is kind of similar actually too, which is cute. But, and the bristles are pink, which I think is awesome. I think I'm going to use it for either to, no, maybe too big to set my under eyes. But I think I'm going to use it for like contour, like right here. Like I think it'd be a perfect shape. It's not like, it is kind of stiff, but not like too stiff. And then I got the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm with hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and peptides. And it has a little spatula, which is cute. I already have spatulas, but I thought that was kind of cute. So, you know, you can never have enough makeup removers, okay? Little spatula. So cute. Yeah. And then we have the Fall Edit palette from Estate Cosmetics. I already have an Estate Cosmetics palette, but not like this. And the pans were ginormous. But I thought this was really cute. I'm going to do a look with that now. So first taking the shade Fall Edit. Definitely pigmented. I'm going from darker to lighter today. We'll see how that goes. Just playing around today because I'm not working. So I can have more time to have fun. And then taking the shade Plaid, which I don't know why this has shimmer in it. It's one of those mattes that has like shimmer in it. Woo! Really top off. I never understand that. I'm like, why don't you just not? Like, I never understand these sequin shades. I'm like, just either make it a matte or make it a shimmer. It's pretty. Like a warm, like orangey kind of terracotta shade, which we see in like a bunch of palettes, but this palette, I mean, it's fine. And then I'm going to blend out with the shade Knit. Then I'm buffing out with the shade Knit, like I said. All right. And then we're going to do shimmers. Still don't really know. I'm going to use Taylor as the liner. I like using eyeshadow as liner. Maybe I'll use, I definitely want to use Staple, Puffer, and then these names are so cute for fall. They're all for like clothes and stuff, like traditional, like, I don't know, I guess fall clothes. For some reason it just reminds me of Clueless, I don't know why. Okay. Glitter glue. Right, so I'm going to use the shade Staple first. Ooh, okay. It's kind of like a, I'm trying to decide if it looks like how it does in the pan. It's really pretty though. Like this would be a good, I think this is a good little everyday palette, honestly. And it's like nice and compact too. Okay. And then I'm going to use a shade Chunky. Like gold. Like a, I guess, I don't know. Not like, at least, these are not like revolutionary colors, but am I going to say it's bad? No, it's good quality. They're pretty, shiny. And then I'm going to use the shade Trench. This looks really cool. On like my outer corner. It's just very, what is it, wearable? But you could just do one of these shimmers and like one of the, you know, plaid or whatever knit in the crease and then be done with it. But you guys know me. If you don't, now you do. And now we're going to finish the lower lash line in your corner. I've liked this palette a lot. I also use the hydrator from Earth Harbor, hydrating. And I'm going to put on the, maybe I'll do the red lip because other than that, I didn't use this brush. Boop, 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 boop. And I have enough mascaras open right now, so I'm not going to open the mascara. And I'm not doing the eye gel thing, so yeah, I'll get back to you on that. I tried doing tailored on my upper lash line, but it wasn't really showing up very well. So Okay, let's use some of the shades that we haven't used. Okay, so I'm going to use, let's do Taylor, which is the dark brown. Okay, I don't know why it wasn't showing up, but maybe it's because I already have like darker shades on. I don't know. All right, and then I want to use the shade Puffer. I think this is a good palette. I think I said that like 10 times, but yeah, no complaints. Maybe I'll just use staple in the inner corner. That should be fine. Good box though. I mean, I don't know how the other boxes have been, but like I mean, no complaints, you know? I think if I had paid for this, I would have been happy. So, and again, I will put prices on everything. Yeah, that's pretty. Pretty look. Let me know, what did you guys get in your box? And I can't wait for my next box. I'm going to also do a TikTok, a reel, and a short. I'm sorry, I forgot to show you guys lip. So the liquid lipstick from the Long Lasting Matte Liquid Lipstick from Bare Minerals and Spirited. Feels really nice. I think it's a really pretty red. Like, I don't think it's too, like, I don't know, like wearable. And then I'm going to put some of the Fenty Gloss Bomb in Hot Cherry. This smells so delicious. This smells good too. Even my cat liked it. This is like a nice, like, I don't feel like it's too, like, oh my God. Ah. I mean, I'm like obsessed with this look. I'm feeling good. I almost forgot. I like knew I forgot something. I was like, I got the, I don't have like the sheet like they have in Boxycharm that tells you all the products. You can look up some of them online. So I got this green eyeliner from KVD. And I was like really excited because I wanted to try more products from their brand. And a lot of times they put like black eyeliners in here. So we're going to swatch it. I didn't even swatch it. Like, okay, so it's not a twist up. It's like a, oh, it is. Okay, so it's one of those like, it looks like it's a twist up, or it looks like it's like not a twist up, but it is a twist up, but it doesn't look like. Okay, I'm gonna swatch it. I didn't even touch it. So it's like a green kind of black. Like that, I didn't swatch it. So I'm wearing brown right now, but I want to put on my waterline. I'm so excited. I wanted to have these before the whole like switch up and stuff. And then I was like, I don't think I've tried anything from their brand before everything, but I'm wearing brown already, so I don't know if this is gonna go over. A lot of eyeliners, like especially like colored ones like this, they don't look like green. They look like, you know, black or brown or whatever, but which is sometimes kind of cool because it's like, ooh, what is she wearing? Oh my God. Yeah, it's not gonna go over. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my lower lash line then. I'm already wearing like a long wearing eyeliner. It's actually from ColourPop. What is she wearing? Is she wearing black? No, it's green. I don't know if you guys can tell. I'm gonna definitely wear this in like videos and stuff, but I'm really excited because I've heard good things. Like their whole line is supposed to be like, you know, long wearing and blah, 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 which is all about me, but yeah. And a lot of the stuff is sold at Ulta, which is awesome because I work at Ulta, so I can actually, yeah. But anyway, I thought it was a good bag. But I think this came in the Glam Bag Plus. Again, I'll put more details down below as well as prices and everything. I think this is typically like high-end eyeliners. I think are like $19, $20, sometimes more. But yeah, I love it. Like, so anyway, that's what I got. Like, subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Catch me on TikTok. Catch me outside. Catch me on TikTok, Vegan Brie 823, as well as I do reels. I do daily shorts on my looks. So I'd love this for you to subscribe and join the whatever this is. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.